So we got this situation to handle. We have 0 to pi and then x times f of sin x. So if you'll observe, this is limit is being changed. So if limit is being changed, you can think about how, like the property where you are making half of the limit, okay, upper limit. It should start from 0 only. So we can think about this situation. But for time being, suppose that we are not getting any idea. 0 to pi and then x times f of sin x dx. Now, what I want you to do is apply King's rule. Suppose you are not getting any idea. So we are applying King's rule. So this thing will become 0 to pi and then upper limit plus lower limit will become pi. So x will be replaced by pi minus x. So it is pi minus x and then we have sine pi minus theta. Sine pi minus theta is what? Sine pi minus theta. Means you are taking help of horizontal axis, means no change. You will fall in second quadrant, in which the question sign is positive, so you can write directly sin x dx. So look at this. Suppose this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. So if you will add, don't you think that this component and this component will be neutralized? So we will be left with, wait a moment. So we will be left with 2 times I integration from 0 to pi times f of sin x dx, correct? Now pi is a constant, so can I take that constant outside? Now we have to break down the limit now. So what I will do, I'll break down the limit by writing 2i equals pi 0 to pi by 2 f of x. So who is f of x? F of sin x. है ना? This is your sin x and then plus f of this minus x. Okay, it is not pi by 2 minus x. So it remain the same sin x. Sin pi minus x is sin x only. Done. So both are same. So we can take 2 common. So we can write 2 times I is equal to 2 times pi integration from 0 to pi by 2 and then we have f of sin x dx. Okay, this 2 gone. We are supposed to find a, therefore the value of a is pi. I hope you got the idea and I think you guys can handle similar situations as well. Okay.